Fiverr takes 20% of every dollar you earn. Upwork takes 10. For an agency doing $20,000 a month, that single number is a $2,000 difference every single month, $24,000 a year, just for picking the right platform. And I watch agencies pick the wrong one constantly. Here is the actual math. Upwork moved to a flat 10% service fee in 2026. Fiverr stayed at 20. The average Upwork project is $800. The average Fiverr buyer spends $342 per year. If you need to hit $20,000 a month, Upwork needs 25 contracts. Fiverr needs 58 orders. The math is not close. Upwork has 145,000 clients who spend $5,000 or more per year. 4,000 clients spend over $100,000. Fiverr has effectively zero of either. The platform runs a dedicated agency's landing page. Fiverr Pro sells individual freelancers, not agencies. One was built for you, the other was built around you. If your average project is under $100 Fiverr, if your average project is over $300 Upwork, and if you pick Upwork, GigRadar filters your feed so you bid only on jobs that actually fit your agency. Stop burning connects on dead jobs. Go to gigradar.io and try it free.